What if you could see your room professionally redesigned before spending thousands on furniture, materials, or an interior designer? With Roomagic, it starts with just one real photo.
Roomagic turns an ordinary room photo into a professional design concept, then gives you a practical design report covering the ideas, suggested materials, estimated prices, and overall budget behind the transformation.
There is no complicated 3D software to learn. You do not need to measure and model the entire space. Open Roomagic, upload a real photo, and tell the AI what kind of room you want.
Select the room type, choose a design style, set the quality and number of concepts, and add practical requirements such as warmer lighting, better storage, or elements you want to preserve.
The result is more than a pretty AI image. Roomagic also provides a design report with the main concept, key design decisions, suggested materials, estimated prices, and a practical budget snapshot.
This design service lets you test design ideas before making expensive decisions. Compare different directions, understand the likely materials and costs, and invest only when you know what you actually want for both your room and your budget.
One more thing. When this video was recorded, a service was featuring a 500 CAD reward. It may end soon, so check the latest terms. If it's still active, don't wait. Design smarter and spend less with the service.